Hello guys, this is Afronics again. We are here with another tutorial. This is supposed to be the second tutorial of the Arduino Plus PROTEUS 8.12 series. So our first tutorial, first of all we went through how to download the Arduino IDE, and also I have made another videos on how to install PROTEUS 8.12 and also how to include Arduino and other libraries into PROTEUS 8.12. So this was our first program, of which I congratulated you for completing your first program. So now let us see how it was working. Let's press play. Okay, it was blinking. First of all, we connected our pin to pin 11, and also we declared our pin. Here the code runs once. Okay, here it runs once, and also here is the repeated. It is called a loop, which means it continuously run for a long time, okay, for let's say forever, until the code is crashed. Okay, so this is what is going on here. It will blink, it will come on for 100 milliseconds, and then it will be off for 500 milliseconds. That's why you see the on time is lesser than the off time. Okay, so now we are going to see how important is to declare your variables. We did in our first program, we declared our variables, right? Okay, it's going to be a little bit tricky, but don't hang on, it's going to be simple. You just stay tuned till the end of this video. You will get to know more about Arduino. All right, so now let us see. Let's stop and let me push this way. Okay, so everyone can see. Now let us go for, I want us to look at what we call as police light. Okay, look at, this is an example of a police light. Okay, here is a police light. We have the red and then we have the blue. Okay, it is called flasher. All right, so the red light signifies an immediate emergency, whilst the blue light defines the police presence. Okay, so that's why you see this will blink for some time, and then there is a delay between them, and then this will blink, come, like red will be blinking, this will blink for some time. After that switch, this one also blink. After that, this one switch. Okay, the switching, there is a delay here, so we have to see how best we can do this. Okay, now let us come to the schematic view. So with that, I'm going to, let us remove this, delete. Okay, now let us look for LED. We need red LED. Okay, let's say yes, LED. Okay, let's come down. Okay, we can see different types of LED. So we are looking for red. Okay, double click on the red, it will come to this device. Okay, it will come for this, the place where the devices are. All right, so you double click, bam, you see it's already there. So don't need to select, come again, press placement. No, it's waste of time. So that will save you a huge amount of time. And then we need blue. Here is blue. Double click on blue, it's registered. Okay, now we're done. We just say okay. All right, now let us do some adjustment. All right, we need this ground, let it be here. Okay, now let us select our red LEDs. Okay, I'm going to put many LED together. I'm going to put many LEDs together. Okay, so let's use that 3, and then let's come for blue. Okay, all right, blue could be this way, another one this. Okay, I like to make them neat and clean. All right, oh, awesome. Okay, yeah, so let us shift. Okay, we know that this one of the end of the LED is connected to ground, whilst the other one is connected to the Arduino. So in this case, we are going to use pin 8, pin 9 for the red LEDs. Okay, let us connect it. We connect this one, so it will supply the same voltage to them. Okay, so these are connected as one. Then let us do the same for the blue LED. Okay, all right. Okay, right. Okay, now we know these are connected to ground, so let us do placement for the ground. Okay, let's see here. Oh, now you connect these guys. Okay, nice. All right, these ones also are connected to ground. Let us use the same ground for us not to make a circuit cumbersome. Okay, all right, great, that's good. Okay, now we have our LEDs connected. All right, so the next thing we have to do is to go to the code. Okay, here everything is nice, neat and clean. Okay, so our red is connected to pin 9, blue is connected to pin 8. Don't forget that. All right, so let me zoom this a little bit so that we can see clearly from here. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we just need to turn this to, okay, let's see, red. Okay, hope you can see that red LED. It's connected to pin 8. All right, oh, pin 9. Okay, let's see, pin 9. Okay, next we have integer, stand for integer. We have blue LED. Oh, shoot, blue LED. All right, let us connect that. It is connected to pin 8. All right, pin 8. Don't forget your semicolon. All right, so next let's say this has already been declared as an output. I explained this in the last tutorial. That was the first tutorial. Okay, today's supposed to be the second tutorial, but yet still we are using the same thing. First tutorial, never mind, we can still continue. All right, we go say red. This is now been declared as red. So next we have to send an instruction to the blue LED. So you just have to put it as pin mode. I told you, capital M. See, the color changed. All right, pin mode, we have a blue LED, blue. Okay, LED. Now what do we want it to work as? Output or an input? Meaning input means it is the one giving instruction to the Arduino, but output means it is receiving instructions from Arduino. So in this case, the blue LED is serving as output because it is receiving instruction from the Arduino. Mind you, it's all in cap. Okay, all caps mean capital letter, so we have to put as output. All right, good. See, the color changed. Don't forget your semicolon. Okay, now we said we've declared this. Now we have to do something a little bit here. We want the red LED to blink twice, flash 1 2, and the other one also flash. Then it has a delay between there is a delay between the red and the blue for some time, and then the blue will also blink twice, so the process will continue. So let us use this as a red LED. Oh, that was okay, red, and then also red. Okay, we've seen here this will blink for 100 milliseconds, and there will be a delay, and then it will go off. Let us say 100 again. Okay, 100. Okay, let me put it as 500. That will be something. Okay, now let us put 100. Okay, and then so let us just copy this to save time. Okay, copy. I'm going to paste it here, but in this case it's going to be blue LED. Okay, let us say blue. All right, and then also here we put it as blue. Okay, now it's going to have the same routine like this. So let us compile this code and see what will happen. Okay, it's happy with us. Okay, all right. Mind you, if this is your first time of using it, don't forget your code is here, how to put the instruction into the Arduino. You just need to look for the hex file. Here's the hex file, copy it and then paste it into the Arduino. Okay, all right. So now let us run this and see what happens. Okay, all right, there's a flash here. Okay, that on. All right, hope you can see that. Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, you can see. Okay, that is great. But that's not what we want. We want this to blink right faster, and then it's going to happen twice, and then it's going to switch to this one. This one also will blink faster twice, and then switch it to this one. So what could we do? So this one is having one blink, this one blink, 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 blink. Okay, so we can do something by adjusting. So it means that this is for one repetition. Okay, so let us copy this. Okay, immediately after it we just put it as let us copy paste. Okay, all right, so let us change this one to, okay, it will be 100, and then let us make this delay as 200. Okay, now let us do the same thing for this repetition, copy. Okay, just paste it. Let me do this one also as 200 because the delay between them is a little bit great. Okay, so let us copy, let us see how this will work in our project. Okay, it's done. Let us stop. You just have to press play again. Okay, it's blinking. See, all right, so at least it's blinking and there is a delay. You see, so we have to play with these delays and see these delays, and so that we will have the appropriate one. So this what comes, this is why it is very important to declare your variables, because we have to go, imagine you have written about 100 lines of code, so you have to go through one by one, change all these things. So all you need to do is to declare it as we did before. Now let us declare some variables and then see, so that we'll just be changing up here and then we do some adjustments here. Okay, so let's say int. So how, let us put delay time for the red. So say red delay, or let it recognize delay. So let us say red waiting, no space time. Okay, is equals to, let us say, okay, is equals to, let me push this along the way. So we can put time, we say, let us say 50. Okay, 50, come on, and then let us put integer blue. Okay, blue waiting time. All right, let us put also 50. Okay, don't forget your semicolon. Thank you. So let us put the last one, int switching time. Let's say switch time. Switch time. Let's put that to 100. Okay, don't forget your semicolon. All right, so the red waiting time we have 50, blue waiting time we have 50, and then switching time we have 100. That sounds great. So all what we need to do is to change here, we'll put here as, okay, I can tell you the easiest way is to copy this so that you will not make a mistake in terms of spelling mistakes, because if you have a spelling mistakes, it will be an error. Okay, so just inside here you just have to paste that one, do the same thing for the, is it red? Okay, yeah, okay, do the same thing. Okay, all right, okay, so this is the switching time. So before that, let us come for the blue waiting time. Okay, just the spellings for you not to make a spelling mistake. All right, so let us put it here. Okay, okay, okay. Now next, let us go for switching time. Take switching time, copy this one. Okay, let us put here switching time. Paste. Okay, this one also here. Okay, all right, so it's kind of pretty cool and neat. Okay, the reason being is that when you have to change any value, you just need to change the value here, and then no need to go into the code again and change any of the values. Okay, so you just need to change here. So declaring your variables makes the work easier for you. Okay, so let us run this and see what will happen here. Okay, that's great. Let us stop and then refresh and play again. Wow, we got it. Exactly. This blink for some time and then switch to this. So you see that? Can you see that? See? Okay, yeah. This is like, if you look at the police siren, you see these colors. Okay, police light. It's called flasher. All right. So this is how we go about for today's tutorial. You see, this is how it's very, very important to declare your variables. If you want to change your pin, you just need to change the pin here and then change here. So no need to go into the code again to change, because you've already declared them here. This is called declaration of variables. Okay, it's very, very important to declare your variables, because from here you just need to make adjustment here. Let us say we want to change the switching time to 90. Let us put 90 here. No need to change 90 90 90 here. You just need to put 90 here and it will be switched to all of this. Okay, it's very important to declare your variables. Okay, so now we have that done. Okay, so we just need to stop this, then refresh it again and see. Okay, you see, now it even looks prettier. You see, this will flash. Second. Okay, all right, see. So guys, this is how you go about in declaring your variables. To me, it makes the work easier, and also it makes it neater. Okay, and it consumes less time. If you want to get access to the first tutorial, the link is below. If you want to install PROTEUS 8.12 and add Arduino library, you can still find the link below. Make sure to like this video, share it with someone, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Make sure you click on that bell so that you'll be notified. You'll be the first to know when we post a new video. Thank you.